Sports Cards here. We are doing another break of 2020 Select Euros here, guys. Good luck, Again, appreciate the fill on this one. PYT number 68. Good luck to you all. Again, I'll be posting up 2 more of these tomorrow there, guys, after I'm live for a little bit. Some more Euros in. Definitely want to get some of those breaks that I got posted up in the group and store in. A lot of them are close to filling, so I want to get some of those in. What's up, Dan? We got Wayne Hennessy for Wales. 90 of 149. We got Marcel Sabitzer for Austria. Wales is Stanley. That's a little short print. How about some Milik for Poland? Kiddish Milik. That's a nice little short print. Who's got Poland on this one? Peter. Visionaries. Tough pulls, these Visionaries. Delitz, Netherlands, number to 125. 95 of 125. So that's going to Mike. Shaka, Switzerland. X Factor going to Jared. Jonko. We got Klosterman for Germany. 33 of 65. 3 spot. That's going to Troy. We got John Stones for England on the jersey there. Going to letter T. Zero spot, if I counted correctly. Roberto. No, all card shit. If it's not a numbered card, it goes to the card number on back. So I would go to the last number on the right hand side. Kaderbrick, Soyuncu. Marco Royce on the silver there. That's going to spot 3. That's Troy. Posh, Memphis, Netherlands. 147. That's going to Adam. 225. Granite Xhaka. Purple, Benjamin Pavard for France. 62 of 79. Adam. That's Syed. Ronaldo variation for Portugal. That's going to Daniel. And number to 25. That is sick. David Villa and Alvaro Morata for Spain. Caleb. How about that? 11 of 25. That is our second dual auto this case. Our second dual auto. Hazard, Belgium. That is in the filler there. Spot 8. Sidichuk. Rasmus for Finland. And that was box 1. Nice box. Box number 2. Those aren't numbered. Those are just short printed. The Visionaries. Not sure. Do they have, I think they do have color Visionary cards, but that one is just a regular. Alright, it's a nice one, little Ronaldo multi. Portugal. Courtois. Harry Maguire. There's an Mbappe. First one. Go to spot 1, Adam. Equalizers, Yarmolenchuk for Ukraine. Kingsley Coman on the tricolor. Going to spot 4. There's Roberto. We got Chris Mepon for Wales. 51 of 175. Kanji for Switzerland. Golovin. Click for Poland on the tricolor field level. Gareth Bale. Rodrigo. Spain. Silver. Stefano Sensi for Italy. Green. 73 of 149. That is going to Brian. Russia, Golovin. That is 71 of 225. Our auto is Courtois. How about Belgium doing some work too? 2 of 49. Syed. Belgium. Nice one there. Purple, Patrick Schick for Czech Republic. 14 of 79. That's going to Logan. And Marko Anatovic for Austria. Going to Dazer. Jersey. Artem Zayuba for Russia. Orange. 69 of 125. And Zinchenko. Not a bad little box. And let me sleeve up some cards here. A lot of numbered cards in this box. All right, last box. Good luck here, guys. Alright, let's do it. Fueler. Yokuslu for Turkey. Russia, Zobnin. 164, 165. Raphael Varane for France, X Factor. Spot 7, that's Adam. We got Kanoglu for Turkey. Little Joao Felix for Portugal. Field level. Sancho, England. Going to spot 0, Roberto. Dennis Zakaria for Switzerland. 130 of 175. Yilmaz for Turkey. Dual jersey. That is going to Jared. Martin Henregger for Austria. Tricolor. Guerrero for Portugal. Silver field level. And Mehedmi Bednarik for Poland. We got Ante Rebic for Croatia. 48 of 65. Last little stack here. We got Kamil Glick for Poland. 47 of 225. The auto. Portugal. Nani and Portugal. That's going to Dan. We got Donnarumma there for Italy. Nice one there too. That is 20 of 165. And Emil Hajberg to end off the break. Not bad, not bad. All right, let me sleeve up these last few cards here, and then we'll do a little recap. Yeah, for those guys sticking out, appreciate you guys, man. Zobnin, Varane, Felix, Sancho, Zakaria, Yilmaz, Guerrero, Rebic, Glick, Donnarumma, Nani, Ronaldo, Mbappe, Metbomb, Sensi, Golovin, Courtois, Schick, Arnautovic, Zayuba, Depay, Pavard, Ronaldo, Hennessy, DeLitz, Klosterman, and Stones. Little short print here for Poland on the Milik, Visionary, and a dual auto. Second dual auto of the case so far. Villa and Morata. That was the break there, guys. Appreciate it. Again, posting up 2 more tomorrow.